Let p, q, r be positive integers such that p plus 1 out of q plus 1 out of r equals 25 out of 19. What is the value of p, q, r? So we can rewrite this 25 out of 19 as that equals 1 plus 19 plus 6 is 25. So 1 plus 6 out of 19. So when we do that, you see it becomes that, we get that p equals 1. So the next thing that we can write is, and so we can write therefore, and 1 out of q plus 1 out of r equals 6 out of 19. So if we were to flip it, so before that I should mention that q plus 1 out of r, this term, this is less than 1, and p, q, r are positive integers. So okay, so then so if we 1 out of q plus 1 out of r equals 6 out of 19, if we were to flip this, we can say therefore q plus 1 out of r equals 19 out of 6. And the 19 out of 6, of course, we can write it as 1 plus 6 times 3 is 18. So 6 times 1 is 6 plus 13. So we can write this as 13 out of 6. But this is not correct. The reason is that would make 1 out of r not a fraction. So 1 r is greater than 1, but 13 is greater than 6. So this is wrong. We cannot write it like that. What we have to do is we have to think that the multiple of 6 less than 19 and how we can adjust it. So 6 times 3 is 18. So I can write it as 6 times 3 is 18. So 3 plus 1 out of 6, 6 times 3 is 18 and 1 19. So when I do that, you see q becomes equal to 3. So I can get, therefore, q equals 3. So we've got two things, and the final one is r 3 and 1 out of r equals 1 out of 6, and therefore r equals 6. So we've got the three values of p, q, r. So therefore we can write p times q times r would be 1 times 3 times 6, and that equals 18.